Beautiful angels, this is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your most requested pick a card reading. What is the message from your future self? Yes, friends, all of you voted this reading, the highest voted reading yesterday, so here it is now, friends. Make sure to subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, click the bell icon so you never miss a reading, and make sure to click the bell icon and check all notifications so you get all notifications of the readings. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. To buy a personal reading, friends, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com, friends, and this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is a timeless reading. Whenever you come across this reading, it will help you out in some way. I'll also be pulling some charms as you requested the cube charm, so yes, some extra guidance from there. And that's it, I think, for now. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot to buy your 2021 readings. You can visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. Yes, friends, so let's take a deep breath, relax. Take a deep breath, relax, and choose option 1, this beautiful red card. Option number 2, this beautiful green card. Option number 3, this beautiful magenta card. Relax, take a deep breath. Choose option 1, option 2, option 3. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section so you can directly skip there and choose your option. You can also pause the video if you need more time to choose your piles, friends. So let's begin with option number 1. So for those who chose option number 1, this beautiful red card, the number is also 1 on this card. It is the base chakra card. Let us see what your future self is trying to say to you right now. What is its message to you? What is your future self? I think most of you know, like 5-10 years from now, what your future self is trying to guide you. Let's see that. This is your advice card. I'm gonna keep it here. And these are your extra oracle messages. This is your card. Let's see. Balance. Wow, number 14. Renewal. That's beautiful. The raccoons on this card are beautiful. The 3 of Wands. The 4 of Spring. Wow, 4 of Wands. The 6 of Winter. And the number 11, Strength. Wow, friends, this is beautiful. I feel currently you are feeling very, very tested right now. Like life is testing you, your relationships are testing you, things are not going as they should or as you want them to go. You're not feeling like, you feel like life is imbalanced at the moment, life is stuck at the moment, you don't have like anybody in your life. I don't know why. Are you feeling alone, pile number 1? And are you feeling like you will not get what you desire or dream of, whether it is in love or work? I don't know. I feel like you're not feeling good at the moment. Life is not balanced for you. You feel life is testing you. Your relationships, maybe you are single since a very, very long time. Also, I feel like there is no expansion in your life right now. You don't have many friends. You feel very tested, friends. You feel like life is testing you at the moment. But your future self is trying to tell you that yes, life will come in balance for you. Don't worry. Don't worry, things will fall into balance, fall in place for you. By merging the varying viewpoints, you can generate a extraordinary new idea. Compromise with others and collaborate to discover a better solution. Wow. I think your future self is also trying to tell you you don't have to do things alone. I think you feel alone right now, or you feel like there are not people who understand you. or there is nobody who is supporting you at the moment, but your future self is trying to tell you you are going to find people who understand you. You are also going to find people who love you. You are also going to find the right kind of jobs, the right kind of co-workers. Yes, you are going the business. If you are into business, you are going to find the right clients. Don't worry, life will fall into balance. But this is not the time for you to do things alone. I feel you are trying to do things alone at the moment. So your future self is trying to tell you to ask for help or find some help, or just talk with people. Don't do things alone. Okay, so my camera is again on its own funny focus. It does that always. I don't know why. The three of springs. I feel right now your future self is like, right now you feel like life is not going to change. You feel like life won't change ever. But that is not how it is. Your future self is telling you that life will change. It is already changing. Your life will expand in positive ways. Don't worry. Your work will expand. Your career will expand. The opportunities you need are coming. Just stay patient. Stop to take some time to review and make long term plans. Capitalizing upon your past success, it is appropriate to pat yourself on the back for all your past accomplishments, but you must also need some patience for the next action steps. See, you are doing a great job. Your future self is already telling you that you are doing a great job. You don't need to worry. The main thing you need to do is be proud of yourself, be confident, be bold. Don't judge yourself. Don't say that you will not achieve anything or something like that. So you are trying to judge yourself. This is not the time to judge yourself or be hard on yourself. Your future self is saying that give yourself a pat on the back. You have done an excellent job. So you are going to expand in the future also. So keep doing what you are doing. And I also feel some of you are single and you are worried you will never find the right partnership or the right marriage or the soulmate. I do feel your future self is trying to tell you that yes, marriage will happen or the right partnership is going to manifest for you. Don't worry. It is time to kick back, relax, and celebrate all that you have. Joy arises from success in your career, the completion of a project, and a very happy home life. So, yes, your future self is trying to tell you that in your future there is marriage, there is success, there will be peace, there will be relaxations and celebration. So, don't worry what you are trying to achieve right now, or whatever is your goal, you will achieve it. Don't worry. Renewal. I also feel that there is a relationship which is right now very much tested for you. Maybe a marriage is tested, or maybe it is at a breaking point for some of you, or some twin flame relationship is being tested. There is a chance things will get better, especially in your family. If your family is, it is like, falling apart, don't worry. Don't worry, things will get better in your family, or maybe you are losing friends or they are falling apart. You will find new friends, or you will find harmony in your relationships. Your future self is trying to tell you that. 20 is also an important number. Maybe your life path is number 2, number 4. Number 222, number 11, 11 is your life path. So I do, it's numerology, by the way. So yeah, I do your future self is trying to tell you that you should not give up. You should not give up. You are very close to achieving your dreams. It is time to get clarity about your life purpose. Make changes so that you are on the path to success. Forgive what has been without judgment, and start to create new things in life. So forgive the past, let it go. If you feel someone has hurt you, or a marriage has broken, a relationship has broken, you feel hate, you feel anger towards them, it is only natural, but try to heal that because better things are coming for you in the future. I also see some of you are changing your life path, and your future self is saying, yes, you are on the right path, don't worry. This change is divinely guided. Also, these problems will end for you, so congratulations, relief is coming, end of worries is there. Some of you want to travel or want to relocate in the future. Yes, it will happen. It will happen automatically and effortlessly, so don't worry. There is also strength card. Are you having health issues, friends? I do feel some of you are having health issues, especially related to anger, depression, because base chakra deals with those issues, self-worth, and issues of feeling are you successful, you are worthy. It also deals with legs, spine, and the health of your mental body, emotional body. Are you dealing with health issues? If you are, your future self is trying to tell you that yes, your health will get better, but you need to make your health a priority. You need to balance your health. You need to take action on your health. You can't forget your physical health and just keep worrying about your job or career or about your past. And not, if you don't bother about your health right now, they are asking you to take time for your health. I don't know if you are noticing or not, but some of you need some time to relax, some time to enjoy yourself, some time to take care of your health, your physical body. I would suggest you should go out in the nature, take some sun, go for a fresh morning walk for maybe 2-3 weeks, take some vitamins, some minerals, take medical health advice for before taking anything, but take if you are dealing with health issues, they will get better. But some of you are neglecting your health right now. Don't do that. Don't do that. You are stronger, and then you believe you can achieve whatever you want. But before that, take some time, take some rest, and invest in your health, invest in your dreams, invest in your goals. I also feel some of you are very young. Maybe you are teenagers, or you are very young, you are in college or something. So you want, or you are like someone who hasn't gone, like you are a mother, you are going for some job again, and you feel scared. It is only natural. Some changes are coming, or they are already happening. Maybe this world situation, you just can't accept it. It's too much for you. But your future self is saying, don't worry, this will change your life. It will expand your life. It will bring the right relationship for you. It will bring the right people for you. Forget the past. Forgive yourself. Stay in balance. Make your health a priority. And believe in yourself. You are strong. You are capable. And look at this. A new job, a change of city, a change of country, a relief. It is coming for you, friends. Don't give up. Your future self is extremely powerful, and whatever you are trying to achieve right now, your future self is saying yes, you will be able to. Whether it is in love, whether it is in career or health, you will achieve it. Don't worry. Just believe in yourself. See, 9, the dreams coming true, 9 of Cups. See, your dreams are coming true. The universe is working for you in your favor, so don't worry. And again, a 9. Wow. I do feel some of you could be in the 9 personal year or something. You are close to ending a tough cycle. You are very close to ending this tough cycle, and a new start or a better future is ahead of you. I think the next year will be very different and much better than this year for you. I have already done 1 year from now reading, so go ahead and check that out. I have also done the life purpose spiritual gift reading, so make sure to check that out. I have also done your horoscope readings for 2021, so you can check that out. They are mini versions, but yes, you can check them out. Full versions are coming soon. Number 9, seek. Whatever you're seeking, it is coming for you. Whatever you want, it will happen for you. So don't worry. You are very strong. You are very, very powerful. Let's see your advice. What you need to do right now. Who blessed change is a major life change, brings you great blessings. See, some things are changing in your life and you are not feeling happy about those changes. You feel like life is crumbling, your relationships or friendships are going away, your job has gone away. So, what's happening? It is a blessed change, friends. It is a blessed change. Maybe this world situation is making you feel, it is making you doubt yourself. Don't. All this will lead to success in your future. And let's take some three dices and see what is coming next. Advice, messages from their future self. I love the sound they are making right now. See the hand of destiny. Look at that. Wow. So you are a destiny's child, you are destined for success. Don't doubt yourself. Don't be so hard on yourself. If something is something changing, let it be. If something is ending, let it be. Why? Because good things are destined for you. Accept change. Accept it and take care of your health and pat yourself. You are destiny's child. Your destiny is big. You are going to achieve it. You also have the camera, so some of you are going to be in the limelight in the future. You will be very successful. I also see some of you could be working or your life purpose is changing. Some of you will become photographers, or maybe you will direct a movie, or maybe you will become actors. Your future self is also saying that life is like a movie. You don't have to get stuck on the past. Keep moving ahead. Life is like a movie. There is a past, there is a present, there is a future, there is also the future self. So smile, say cheers, boost yourself, take a picture, say smile. I think you should dress up for yourself. I think some of you have not, dressed up recently. So I think your future self is saying, go take a selfie, put on makeup, put a nice dress, and smile and say cheers. And look at that, the sun and the moon. So, yes, things are changing for you. It is like right now you feel things are dark, you don't know what will happen, but the sun will shine for you. Yes, it will. Your destiny is very powerful. You chose the number one, so your destiny is very powerful. You will have a marriage, a reunion. Your life is going to expand. You will not live where you are. You will go, to global success. Lots of things, good things will happen. So don't worry. Believe in yourself. Rest. Take care. That's it for now. Subscribe Magic Vans Tarot. Hit the bell icon and join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye. Option number 2, for those who chose option number 2, this beautiful green card, let us see what is your future self trying to tell you. Let's see that. I'll also be pulling some charms from here. These are your extra oracle messages. These are your extra, this is your advice. Let's see. Ooh, 7 of Summers, 5, the Unity, the Hierophant, yeah, exactly. The Queen of Autumn, the 8 of Autumn, the 9 of Winters, oh God, the 4 of Winters. My God, friends, you are fed up of waiting. You're fed up of waiting. You're fed up of trying. You're fed up of many things in life at the moment. Wow, friends. Life is tough for you at this point of time. No wonder you wanted this reading and you chose number 2, the green healing card. Okay, so let's begin. I think some of you are very, very upset about money. You're very upset regarding your job or career. You are worried, you are anxious about your job, about your career, about your money. Yes, you know, there are money issues right now. There are career issues right now. You feel like you are in a sea full of storms. Look at this. And you just have one rock you are clinging on to. I feel some of you have lost hope for your future. Friends, don't do that. Stay strong. Stay strong. You see polar bears? Have you ever seen a polar bear video? I would suggest you to go right now after this reading and check the polar bear video. Why? Polar bears live on ice. There are thick glaciers. There is all ice, all snow, thick snow, and you know what polar bears do? They still find food there in all that land of white snow, white ice, frozen, absolutely frozen, but they still find food and they don't die of the extreme atmosphere they live in, the extreme cold. They survive. They even look cute and furry. So friends, I would suggest you don't worry. Yes, you are going through tough times. Your future self is saying don't worry, you are cute, you are strong, and you will make it. Absolutely, you will make it. And you chose the green. So if you're worried about money, money will come. You are going to get, honestly speaking, your future self is telling me some of you are going to become millionaires in your future. I know you will say, oh my God, we will not be millionaires. But friends, your future self is telling me that you are going to achieve more money than you have ever dreamed of in your future. So congratulations. Don't worry so much about your career, about your money, and about these changes which are happening right now. You feel like every day is a challenge. These times, every day is a challenge. Something new comes up and you have another worry. you know every day is bringing something that causes you worry right now. I shouldn't be laughing, but I'm laughing at the situation that your, future self is telling me. Like, they are showing me this where you are right now, and they are showing me where you will be in your future. So they are telling you not to worry. First things first. Don't worry. Your career will be safe. It is secure. You will find stability. You will find peace and relief from these changing times. Yes, you will find money, a lot of money. The most important thing you need to do right now is keep working. Don't give up. Keep doing what you are doing, one day at a time. Keep doing. If it is one step, keep doing that. If you are a student, keep learning. Don't give up. If you are not finding a job, no problem. Keep learning. Do not give up. Your future self is saying the hard work you do now, it will bring you immense money and success in the future. It is going to turn your life. This hard work that you are going to do now, turn this worry into hard work. Turn this worry into learning. Some of you are also confused about what to do in your career. I think some of you want to change your life path, or you feel your destiny is somewhere else, but you are scared. You're very scared. I think some of you are breaking free from the traditional 9 to 5 jobs. I feel some of you are revolutionaries, friends. You are revolutionaries. Your higher self is telling you, yes, you are. Don't doubt yourself. You are made to start something new in life, to create a new life. Some of you may go or live solo and do your work and make a brilliant, successful company out of it. Some of you are going to go into teaching, and you are going to be the best scientist or the scholar, best researcher, best, you are going to be at the top of your game. So yes, you are going to achieve it, but this is the time to think what you need to do. Yes, this is your time when your life purpose is changing, your destiny is changing, your choices, your likes, your dislikes are changing. Yes, but you should not be worried. This is a time of planning. This is a time when you shift the gears. Have you ever done driving? You can't drive always in the first or the second gear. You always have to shift, first, second, third, four, five, whatever. Some cars or some vehicles have more than those gears also, so you have to shift. This is the shift happening right now. Your destiny is calling you. That is why you feel so confused. Some of you are young, or some of you are not finding support for what you do from your family or from your parents, but make sure that you don't give up on your dreams. You will be successful if you still keep acting and working on your dreams. If you persist, success will be yours. No one can take it. Some of you are also facing health issues, friends. Some of you are facing health issues, anxiety or depression. Angels are saying, your future self is also saying that you should take some rest. You should take some rest because you are trying to hurry life when it is not meant to hurry. This is the time for you to take some rest, relax, and life is also like this. Life is a journey, and we can't always go on full speed. If we do that, you know, we'll just get ill or something. We can't all life can't always be quick. You are nervous because you don't like the slow pace of life right now. Let it be. Relax, take a night's sleep. I think some of you are not sleeping well, so, or you are having anxiety, health issues. Your future self is saying, take time to sleep, take time to find relaxing music, or work on your chakras. Take some reiki healing or something, and your health issues will improve ahead. Don't worry. I also feel, friends, some of you are really confused about a love situation. You are like, you don't know what to do about this situation. There are so many choices if you are single. Sometimes you feel you don't want to get married. Sometimes you feel you are better single. Sometimes you feel you just can't live without a person or without someone from your past. So there is a lot of confusion regarding your love life also. You may be dealing with a person who is quite untraditional, who is quite a hippie. This person is quite, different, or you are different in your views about marriage, in your relationships. I think if you some of you are single from a long time and you have really developed this financial independence, or you have learned to live alone, but you haven't found the right partner yet. Your future self is telling you that don't give up. Keep looking. The love that you are seeking, you will find it. You will find it in a person who is quite different. They are also different than you. They are also a a non-traditional person. They are as This person could be like a traveler. This person could be like an old soul. This person could be someone from very different from you, but perfect match for you. Yes, it will happen. It will happen. Just give it some time. I also feel some of you have a pattern of, always attracting the wrong people. So your future self is saying that it is time to choose yourself. If in love you are not choosing yourself and making yourself a priority, will continue to find relationships which will make you worry, which will make you anxious, which will make you work harder than before. So, your future self is warning you to choose yourself and make yourself a priority, to take some risk in life, to don't just live on what is being told. You have a unique destiny, you have a unique life path, and you must choose it. Some of you are not even, some of you are on the verge of giving up. Don't. Your destiny, you are like a polar bear, friends. You must go and watch the polar bear videos. They are very strong. Have you ever seen a polar bear fight? They are very strong, friends. They just don't give up. Even bunnies, they are very happy, they are very positive, and they don't give up. You may see bunnies in Alice in Wonderland also. They are a sign of magic, they are a sign of mystery, of good things to come. I do see, friends, your future is very good, and things are changing for you. That is why so much confusion is happening for you right now. Your future self is telling you success will happen, money will come, your health issues will resolve, and in love, you are going to find someone exceptionally unique. You are going to date or marry a person who is way different than you or from the traditional partnerships, and it will be amazing. You both will be you both will create something beautiful. Wow, well deserved rewards. Number 9. Yes, you have worked hard. Keep working. Don't give up. Your rewards are coming. Your success will be huge. If right now you are feeling that life is dull, life is boring, you keep working, nothing is coming, don't worry. Your success in future will be high. It will be as high as this weight to achieve that success. You know, when have you seen that when life pulls you back, it is actually going to push you forward. The more it pulls you back, the forward it is going to launch you. So that's it. Spread your wings. Number 2, take some risk, friends. It is time for you to go. I think some of you are born unique. You have unique gifts. You have a unique destiny, whether it is in marriage or in love or in your career. Your path is changing, and it is time for you to take it, embrace it, and not give up on it. Let's see your advice. What is your advice? Helpful person, someone wants to help you. Think of whom that might be and initiate contact. Wow, someone is coming to help you out, friends. So this is your advice, so say yes. I see you are feeling very alone, but people who will support you or understand you are coming. You have a unique heart, friends. You have a unique energy, and not many people understand you, because I also feel you need to keep yourself a priority, you know and that is when you will meet new people who will help you on your path. You are not alone. Let's see your extra charms messages for pile number 2. Ooh, this is the mustache. Wow. So definitely mustache is a sign of power. Yes, you are going to find success and power, and your ambitions, the your money worries will end, friends. Your money worries will end. I also feel mustache is also a sign that you will find a very suitable life partner. So don't worry, someone to love. Again, the hand of destiny. It is like, friends, you are stopping yourself. I don't know why you are telling that no, this is not your path. You won't achieve success. You won't find the one. You are very different. I don't know why you are just stopping yourself, like, no, I can't do this. No, no, no. You have the hand of destiny. Things are falling into place. Say yes, say yes. Spread your wings and say yes. And look at this, the temple. Definitely, friends, some of you are definitely going to go to the topmost of your career. It is your destiny. And some of you are going to find a very spiritual or a destined connection in the future. So go for it. Take some risk, go for it, and keep working. Don't give up. That's it for now, friends. Subscribe Magic Vens Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vens Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye. So, friends, if you chose this magenta color, let's see what is your future self's message for you. What they are trying to tell you. This is the advice. You choose the number 7. 7 is about spirituality. 7 is also about the crown chakra, the topmost chakra of our body. This is your extra oracle messages. I'll be pulling some charms also from the dices. Let's see your messages. Ooh, 7 of autumn, 7, 7. The Wheel of Fortune. Congratulations. Oh, Queen of Summer. Interesting. The Ego, number 15. Ooh, ooh. 3 of Summer. Interesting. The 3 of Autumn. And the 10 of Winters. Ooh. Whew. Right now you are going through a lot of endings, friends. A lot of things are ending or finishing for you, and it is causing you some strange anxiety or worry. A lot of things are ending. You feel under pressure. Or maybe a relationship is ending and you feel a lot of pressure, a lot of weight. Maybe a friendship has ended, or maybe a job situation has ended, or family is under pressure, your marriage is under pressure. The end of a career path, project, or a relationship brings feelings of mixed joy and sadness and relief and disappointment. Put aside your fears about these changes and trust that a brighter future awaits. Look at that. Something is ending, friends, or something has ended for you. It is time to let it go. Don't carry it forward. Your future self is telling you you are carrying the burdens of your past right now. It is time to put that bag down. It is time to let go of that pain. It is time to let go of that baggage. Why? Because it is draining you. It is draining you. You have a very powerful destiny. Your future is very bright. But you have to balance your ego, friends. Your ego is refusing to end something. There is a situation that has ended, but it has hurt your ego. It has really hurt your ego. But it is time to let it go, friends. It is time. Learn from it. Make your ego, trick your ego. Tell it that you have, you, were you happy in that relationship, or in that job or career, or whatever life was before this 2020? Were you really happy? No, it was just pleasing your ego. You may feel that you are trapped in your situation, but that is not real. Be careful not to uh, overly focus upon material wealth and break free of negative thinking. This is also, like, you should not focus too much on what is missing from your life. Right now you are focusing on what is missing from your life, but you should not do so. I also feel there might be some sort of an addiction happening for you, or like you feel addicted to your past, or someone from your past, or some job, or you were having some success, or some happiness from your past, but it is not there right now, and you feel obsessed with it. You want it, you just want it. But maybe you are dealing with a twin flame, and you feel this intense connection with them, this crown chakra, this telepathy, but you want them, but they are not coming. The situation right now has ended. You feel upset. Something has ended, friends, and you are dragging it. It is time to let it go for now. For now, you have to put it in the cupboard and say, I will deal with it later on. Your future self is saying that some of you should be patient, because yes, your money is coming your way. Just a little bit of patience and things will change for you. If you have lost a job, money is coming, new job is coming. If you are waiting for legal issues, victory there, yes, it is going to happen. Your future self is also telling you that your patience and your hard work will not go in waste. It will be rewarded. The planning, the resources and efforts you have invested on the situation will reap rewards ahead. In the meantime, have patience and plan your next steps. So don't worry, all your hard work has not gone to waste. It will be resolved ahead. It will come. You will be, I think someone has done you wrong, friends. I don't know why. I think you were in a toxic relationship, whether at work or in family or in a love relationship. They hurted you, you invested, you loved this person, you did a lot for them. It hurted your ego, it really hurted your ego, and I think this person was very egoistic. They put you in, I think this has become a toxic relationship for both of you, even though you are twin flames or you have this beautiful connection. Your future self is saying, don't worry, the love you have given to somebody, it will be repaid to you. Don't worry. If this is a twin flame or a very telepathic union, it is time for some space in this connection. You need to give each other space, because you will find a reunion in the future. Yes, you are going to unite. If you are single, you will meet people who are perfect for you, new friendships, new soulmates. But for now, you need to put the past and just forget it and deal with your ego. Your ego is not letting you end something, not letting you finish something, not letting you forgive yourself. It is time for that. You need to work on it. New friends are coming. New reasons of happiness are coming. You will find new friendships, you will find better love, and you will find a reunion with this lover. But for now, it is time to give each other space. It is time to break free. It is time to deal with your ego. Three of autumn. Yes, you are going to find success, friends. Rewards are coming. The hard work you have shown, the teamwork you have shown, the efforts you have put in a relationship or a job, yes, you will be rewarded. You have, I think some of you are waiting since 9 years, 7 years for this job or your destiny to turn around. Yes, it will happen. Your future self is saying, I think some of you are in Saturn return. When Saturn is retrograde, it goes for a long period of time and it affects you for 7 years, up to 9 years sometimes, but then it changes your cycle. So, yes, success is coming. People who will support you are coming. Uh, your hard work will be repaid. The money you have invested or lost, it will come back. The love you have lost, it will come back. The you know the if there is any legal issues, you will win them, friends. Don't worry. And you will be this queen of cups, this happiness. A Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important for you. Or I do feel someone will be coming towards you, which is the most perfect and suitable partner for you. I also see your future self is saying a reunion will happen. So don't worry. Love wise, you are safe, you are secure, you will be happy. Don't worry. Whether it is with this person or someone new, the main thing you need to keep in mind is you have the Wheel of Fortune. Yes, friends, you are going to be super duper lucky ahead. Your life is changing. Don't be so hard on yourself. Don't be so hard on yourself. I don't know why you're beating yourself down and saying, no, no, no. You have to deal with this ego. You have to deal with this devil. You need to deal with this devil because, friends, your wheel is here, the fortune is here, your luck is very high, your destiny is changing. Expect a sudden positive change in your life. You can now move forward and make steady progress. This is beautiful, friends. Money is coming, your life will be moving forward, changes are coming, happiness, celebrations are coming. Just let the past go. Just let the past go. Balance yourself. Don't become obsessed about a person or any situation. Stay calm. Keep your emotions in balanced and focus on the future. Focus on a goal. Your future self is also trying to tell you to start a new goal in life, start a new ambition, start a new thing in life. You will be very successful. If you have already started something, you will be extremely successful in the coming months or the years. And oh my god, love number 6. Yes, love is going to happen. It is already there for you. The love you have invested, the love you have put in other relationships, it is yours. It will be repaid to you. Don't worry. Some of you are very unhappy, friends. I think someone was a devil, real devil for you. I keep getting a song, Devil, Devil, Devil. I don't know, it's an English song. I have never heard that song, in fact. Someone maybe is not behaving rightly with you at this point. They are very egoistic. They just don't care. You are this emotional person. You love them, but they just don't care. Maybe you are in third party with them. Justice will happen. Your future self is saying the wheels will turn. Your luck will change. They will also have faced what they're doing. Share the love. See? Love is coming your way, friends. Don't give up. Keep going, keep moving ahead. Not just love, I see success also. Money coming ahead for not money, direction, movement, progress happening for you. So, yes, celebrations happening for you. It is beautiful. Whatever you have invested, whether it is in work or in love or in education, you will reap. You will reap a lot of rewards. Don't give up. But you need to end something, friends. You need to end. You need to make some space from the past and the future. You need to put some space in this present moment so you can grow, you can move. Let's see your advice. Synchronicity. Wow. Your prayers, questions are being answered by synchronistic events. Notice them in order to increase their flow. So, yes, 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 something is going to cross your path. Maybe a soulmate, maybe a new job, maybe that destined career you need, or that job opportunity or that call letter. It is coming, friends. Something is in the works. Something is destined for you which you don't know yet. So don't worry. Don't worry. You will find this synchronicity. Notice the divine signs. Notice the repeating numbers. Notice what is happening. So let's see your charms for pile number 3. I think you are spiritually also growing since you have the crown chakra. So don't worry, you're on the right path. Ooh. Here is the islands, the mountains. So I definitely feel you have reached the top. You are very close to achieving success in some situation, so don't give up. You have reached one mountain, two mountain, but haven't reached the final victory. You are very close. Maybe it is about a twin flame. You feel they are still egoistic, they haven't changed, and the union is not going to happen in this lifetime. But your future self is saying chances are high. Either with this person or with someone new, love is going to come your way. And look at that, growing old. Yes, you are going to find love that you can trust on and grow old with. Yes. Love is definitely for you. Yes, your family, you will have people to take care of you when you are old. And the I do feel your third eye is opening, friends. You are spiritually growing, you are understanding new things in life. So keep at it, keep working, don't give up, and just let the past go. This obsession about the past is also a sign that you are spiritually growing. So take it in a positive way. That's it for now. Subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram as Magic Wednesday Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye.